If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this bottle of beer and these 2 bottles of wine into some very sparkly, pretty, and glittery bottles, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be adding some glitter embellishments to this bottle of Heineken and these 2 bottles of Carlo Rossi wine. And this super pretty gold glitter is the one I'm going to use first on the beer bottle. I'm going to use Mod Podge, already poured some on a plate, and I showed you the sponge brush that I'm going to use. You can also use a paintbrush as well, but I feel like the sponge brush really helps apply the glitter a little better to the bottle. So first off, I'm just going to go around the label area, cover up that back ingredients area, and I'm going to apply a nice smooth layer of glue, and then from there I'm going to start to add on my glitter. So just kind of make sure that you smooth it out pretty well. You can go in smaller sections. I was in a hurry, so I kind of did a bit bigger section of the glue. So I'm just going to shake on this glitter. It's a chunky glitter, which happens to be my favorite. I really like when it's chunky. Well, I guess it's called confetti glitter. I like when it's chunky like that, but it also has very small glitters inside of it as well, like a mixture of fine glitter and confetti glitter. It just gives such a better coverage of when it's just all confetti. This glitter, it came from Michael's. It was $7.99 when I purchased it, and the name of the brand is Recollections. I absolutely love this glitter. I've used it quite a bit. So it's definitely one of my favorites. Now when you are glittering, it is good to have an extra clean brush so that you can just use it to gently dust off any excess glitter that doesn't need to stay. That way you can see a little bit better where you need to add and touch up in certain areas. So I'm just adding on the glue to the bottle at the top area. I'm going to cover this area up as well. I'm not going to go completely all the way up to the cap. This is an unused bottle of beer. So if someone decided that they did want to still drink it, they definitely have that option to do so. And then once I'm finished adding this coat of glitter, you can definitely do 2 coats if you want. When it comes to the chunkier glitter, I usually do 1 coat. I let it dry for at least 20 minutes. If you want to speed it up, put it in front of a fan. I'll come back to this bottle once it has dried so I can go ahead and seal it. Now I'm moving on to the second bottle. I've decided to use this confetti multicolor, like a rainbow color glitter. This one does not have the extra fine glitter mixed in as well, but it still has a really nice coverage, which I'll only use 1 coat of this. This is one of my favorites. It's kind of thick. Maybe it was really packed in there really good. I just felt like it was kind of hard to shake out. Maybe next time I'll just take the lid off and just pour it out. But yes, this is one of my favorites. Now this glitter, this one actually came from papermart.com. They sell glitter on there. You can just check in the search bar, type in glitter, they have glitter. But Papermart is usually like paper supplies, paper bags, gift wrapping supplies, things of that nature, but they have glitter also. So I'm just going to continue to add the glitter and touch in some areas as needed. Dust it off again with the big fluffy brush gently. And if there's any spots that look like it's a little too translucent where you kind of missed it, just touch it in between. This is a very quick DIY. It's very beginner friendly, and I just love how cute and sparkly these bottles come out. The reason I was making these is because I was going to a picnic for a job I used to work at. The funny thing is it was about at least 30, 40, maybe 50 of us met up at this park. We all brought something to eat, and the person organizing it, we're gonna have some games. So I figure as a cute couple little prizes, I would bling a couple bottles out. I had some smaller bottles of I guess liquor that I brought, little miniature bottles I did as well. And these were going to be some of the gifts. And I wanted to give the hostess a gift because she put everything together and she did such a great job. So that's why I was making these bottles, and they were a really big hit. Now, the third bottle I'm working on, as you can see, when I tell you this is my favorite glitter, I absolutely love this pink. I love how sparkly and iridescent it is. I love how it's not just the chunky confetti pieces, but it's also smaller glitters in there as well to help with the coverage. I just love everything about this. Okay, so I'm just going to continue working the glitter onto this bottle. Then I'll be adding the glue to the top of the bottle, so just check that out. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to seal this. Now, the way I seal them, you have other options as to what you can do. This is just how I like to seal them, well, once we get to that part of the video. But you can definitely use Mod Podge if you like to, if you don't have anything else. I personally like to use a product called Liquid Glass by RHINESTONE. The price has went up dramatically over the years for some reason, but the big bottle that I have, it has lasted me for quite some time. So I'm going to keep using that same bottle until I don't need to use it anymore, or that I can't use it anymore. But this glitter is just so fabulous. And the thing about glitter, it's quick, but it does get a little messy. But glitter goes a long way. I've done a few bottles with this glitter and it's still quite a bit left in there. And it was about $8 from Michael's. Okay, so this is the product I was mentioning before, Liquid Glass by RHINESTONE. I like this product because it helps maintain the shine while making the glitter also not flake off. You can use 1 or 2 coats, whatever you feel suits your product, your project the best. I usually use 1, and you see I'm kind of using a patting method. I don't want to like pull too much, because if it is still a little damp, you'll kind of pull the glitter off. So I just do a pat, pat, pat. And it has a very kind of like watery consistency. That's why I'm just pouring it on, because it works best for me like that. You can pour it in a little lid, a little plastic lid or something, or a bowl, dip it in, you know. I used to do it that way, but I found this way to be more effective for me, especially with me being in a hurry. That's just what I'm doing. And I allow this to dry for another 20 to 30 minutes in front of a fan. And it's still sparkly and pretty. Okay, and here we are with the third bottle. Same method. I don't know why I skipped the second bottle, but the same method. A nice little pat, 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 just to keep that glitter nice and secure. This pink is super, super pretty. And the glitter stays nice and shiny, in my opinion. With me using Mod Podge in the past, I just felt like it took my glitter shine down about 2-3 shades and just gave it a clouded look. I haven't had that issue with this product. So that's why I suggest it, and that's what I use majority of the time. Okay, same method. This is the second bottle, if I'm going in the order, but this is the third bottle that you see me sealing, but I went out of order for some reason. But look at this pretty confetti glitter. It's so colorful, it's so sparkly, it's just fun. And this is the one that I gave to the hostess of the event, and she absolutely loved it. Let this dry for at least 20 or 30 minutes. And here is the final finished result of these bottles. Just imagine how they look in the sunlight. They look really pretty here, but they look even better when the sunlight hits them. They're very fun, very sparkly, and again, this is something that a beginner can do. This is nice if you're having an event. This is nice for a birthday gift. There's plenty of occasions. Even if you want to decorate something in your own home, your home bar, this is just something lovely you can do. I hope that you did enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up. Share it on Facebook if you can. And if you are going to subscribe to this channel, be sure to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.